In this video, we'll see together when to use the tenses in French and more precisely le passé composé de l'indicatif. Le passé composé de l'indicatif. So the first thing that we need to really make clear is that it is the main oral narrative tense in French. So that's the reason why you really need to make sure that you master it quite well, because people are using it all the time. You will have to use it all the time, and especially if you want to use French orally, which is in most of the cases what people want, then it must be something that you master quite well. Second thing, it expresses a specific action that took place in the past. Obviously, it must be in the past to use the passé composé. And you can use it, as you can see here, to express a specific action. And then the action expressed by the verb must be completed. It's in the past. It's something that happened. You don't continue it. It doesn't continue. So basically, it's really behind you. It's in the past. The action is over. So let's take some examples now. Hier, je suis allé au resto avec ma sœur. So as you can see, you're talking about what happened yesterday. So this narrative concept, you're talking about that with your colleague. Hier, je suis allé au resto avec ma sœur. So once again, we're not going in the construction in this video, but if you really need to remember how to make the passé composé, I've been making a big video on that where I explain it extremely precisely. The second one, j'ai fait du sport ce matin. So in that situation, I took this example to really emphasize on the fact that it was an action. J'ai fait du sport ce matin. So clearly it's in the past, but it was something that you did. And the last one, j'ai fini mon livre. J'ai fini mon livre. That's it. It's over. It's behind you. You don't read it anymore. You've been finishing your book. So once again, je suis allé au resto. As you can see, the verb is aller. So remember, the difficulty of the passé composé is that it is a compound tense. Je suis allé. J'ai fait, in that case, it's the verb faire. J'ai fini, it's the verb finir. So, hier, je suis allé au resto avec ma sœur. This is the concept of oral narrative tense. J'ai fait du sport ce matin. It's an action that took place in the past. J'ai fini mon livre. The action is completed because now you don't read it anymore.